Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pratishtha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. All of you, please open your cameras.
Ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Very good, Om. Only Om has opened. Even Summer has opened. Children, we were doing this work of unique features, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till which state have you done? Till which state have you completed it?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have completed, ma'am, 16 chapters.
I am on Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, my only the Rajasthan and Gujarat is are
Very,
left.
very good, very
Ma'am,
good.
I have done. Ma'am, all.
You have done even Rajasthan and Gujarat is complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect, very quick. And what about other students? Mehul? Mehul, what about you?
Mama, just in the class.
You were not present in that class?
No.
Okay. What about you, Mehul? Why are you not speaking? Good morning, beta. Okay, children, those who were not present in the last class, let me tell you what you're supposed to do. Swarnim, are you listening to me? Everybody, please open your cameras.
Yes.
Now, Dhwani, Swarnim, Om, you were not there in the last class, right? So take out your social studies copies, and from chapter 16, we've got different states. We studied about so many different states. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to write the unique features of each and every state that you have studied. Okay, like for Punjab, you just have to write in one word. Now, how you're going to write? Just look in the chat box. The heading is going to be, heading of this work is going to be unique features. Okay, that's the heading. Then what you have to do? Number one, for suppose it's given Punjab, right? In that chapter, Punjab is given first. Then how we are going to write? Write down foot number one and write the state name. Then suppose, let's say we are talking about its capital. What is the capital of Punjab? What is the capital of Punjab, children?
Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Yes,
Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Okay, good. You're going to write like this. Then next point, let's say crops. Let's cover up crops now. So what are the crops that are grown there? Rice, wheat,
Ma'am,
sugarcane,
sugarcane
and
and then mustard.
mustard. Very good. Mustard. Then next point, let's cover up occupations.
Ma'am, climate.
Occupations. Okay, I have written occupations now. Then what are the occupations? What are the chief occupations of the
Ma'am,
people?
agriculture, poultry and farm dairy.
Yes, it's agriculture, dairy and poultry farming. Right? Similarly, there are so many other points like important cities. So you will write cities and you will write the names of all the important cities. Then you'll write festivals, Baisakhi and Lodi. Then you'll write language. Now,
Ma'am,
which
rivers.
language is wait? Which language is spoken there? What language do people speak in Punjab? Punjabi. So likewise, you have to write all unique features of all the states. Is that clear to Dhwani and Swarnim? Om, you were not present in the last class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes. So start doing this work.
Ma'am, what is sheep rearing?
Sheep rearing is you take out the wool of sheep, right? Sheep gives us wool. So that is called sheep rearing.
Okay, ma'am. Textile printing.
Beta, see, I have opened what sheep rearing is. Sheep rearing is the raising and breeding of domestic sheep. It is a branch of animal husbandry. Sheep are raised principally for their meat, milk, and wool. So sheep rearing covers three things, like it is upbringing or raising of domestic sheep. Even I didn't know the term sheep rearing. So it is not just concerned. It is not just concerned with the wool. It is concerned with all the three things. The raising of sheep, basically, for these purposes. Ridyansh, mute yourself. Ridyansh, you were present in the last class? All of you have to do this work and then share the picture of how much you have done. Okay, share it on the class group at the end of the class. Is that clear?
Ma'am, we have to also write
Question.
important thing about Kolkata also.
No, beta, you can include Kolkata in West Bengal only. Okay, don't write, don't give a separate this thing, separate heading for Kolkata. Yes, Adrika?
Ma'am, that in Uttar Pradesh, in famous, ma'am, after famous thing, can we write famous monuments like Taj Mahal and all?
How many monuments are given?
Ma'am, in this no monuments are given, but ma'am, can we write by our own?
Yes, you can write. Or maybe you can also write because it is connected with history. So you can write important historical place. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
And monument, not place, it's a monument. Important historical monument.
I found only one.
Mohammed, are you saying sorry, Imad, are you saying something?
Ma'am, I have found only one thing about Kolkata.
What have you found about Kolkata?
Ma'am, there is many people also work in the government education and medical institution.
No, beta, don't include this line. Okay? This is nothing unique about that place. And don't write for Kolkata separately. Include Kolkata in West Bengal only. Okay?
Gujarat.
Pratyusha Singh, are you there? Pratyusha Singh.
Ma'am, I can't find anything about Kolkata.
So leave it. You don't have to write about Kolkata. I'm telling you now, what is Kolkata? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. We are just writing about states, beta. We are not writing about capital cities. Okay? You don't have to write about Kolkata. You just have to write about West Bengal. Is it clear, Imad?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Imad, have you included this point in West Bengal? Important ports, the port of Kolkata, the port of Haldia. Have you written? Write down this, important ports.
Ma'am, please tell what are the two important ports?
Beta, the port of Kolkata and the port of Haldia. See, it is written on page number 107. The second last paragraph of the page, or the last paragraph of Kolkata.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have written all the unique features of all states of chapter 15, and ma'am, my notebook is also filled.
So do you have a new notebook at your place?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not having with me right now, but I am having.
Okay,
Ma'am,
now
can
do
I
one
go?
thing. Do one thing. From the next chapter, you don't have any new notebook, so just underline all the unique features of the next chapter. Okay, all the states that you come
Ma'am,
across.
question number 1.
Yes.
No, ma'am, I'm having. Ma'am,
Tell question number 1.
Beta, just wait, Anukalp. I'm talking to Summer. Yes, Summer.
Okay.
ma'am, I was saying that I'm having my notebooks, but ma'am, they are in my room, and right now I am not in my room. So, ma'am,
So
can I
can't you
go
go?
and bring?
Your room is very far away.
No, ma'am, I can go.
Then go, beta. Go and get your new notebook. Yes, Anukalp, what were you saying? Anukalp Saxena, were you saying something?
Yes, ma'am. I was saying I have joined it now. So please tell question number 1.
Okay, Anukalp, let me tell you that we are not doing question answers. It is after a very long time that I'm seeing you in my class. We are continuing
Okay, ma'am.
last week's work, and last week also you were not
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
And same is the case with Anushka Sharma. You people
Okay,
don't know
ma'am.
what we are doing because you people joined the class very late. There is one
Okay,
trait
ma'am.
called punctuality, which is very much important for students like you. Do you know that? The
Yes,
time
ma'am.
is
Sorry, ma'am.
yes, always, always ready with the word sorry. Now open your social studies copies and listen carefully what you're supposed to do.
Yes, ma'am.
From chapter 16 and chapter 17, we have learned, we have studied about so many states. So
Okay, ma'am.
today's work is you have to write unique features of all the states. What you're going to do, like for Punjab, let's say the first state that we have in chapter 16 is the state of Punjab. Now from Punjab state, you have to
Okay,
write
ma'am.
all unique features of that state. For example, I'm just initiating the work. For example, I'm showing you how you're supposed to do. Just look in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
See, this is how you're supposed to do. Write down the state name, put number 1. Then what is the capital? Chandigarh. Crops, the crops that are grown there. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, mustard. Then the occupation of people, agriculture, dairy and poultry farming. Then you can write festivals. What
Okay,
festivals
ma'am.
are celebrated? Baisakhi and Lodi. And there are various other things that are
Okay, ma'am.
included. Like you can include the rivers that flow through the state. And all you have to do is you don't have to write big sentences. You're supposed to just write it in one word, like how
Okay.
I have written. Okay?
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
that fine,
Okay,
Anushka
ma'am.
and Anukalp?
Yes, ma'am.
Now take your book out. Open your social studies book to page number 103 and start doing this work. One by one, you have to write down for all the states.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in chapter 16, sorry, ma'am, 17, we have to start from Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, beta. Which state is given first in that chapter? Yes, Madhya Pradesh. So
Ma'am,
you have
Madhya Pradesh.
yes, beta. You have to write from that state only.
Ma'am, in the Uttar Pradesh line, there is a line. The famous Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and it attracts tourists from all over the world. Dear ma'am, the next is Kanpur is famous for the textile, chemicals, leather and engineering industries. So ma'am, when we will be writing this, so ma'am, what heading we should give to
Okay.
it?
See, now leave Uttar Pradesh. Sorry, leave Kanpur. Okay, because Kanpur they have told about a city. So, but this city comes under Uttar Pradesh only, right? It comes in Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
So we will write important industries. Then write down the industries name: textile, chemical, leather and engineering. Okay. And for this thing, Taj Mahal, you're going to write important historical monument or just historical monument. Fine. And then write Taj Mahal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
can we
in
write
the
like this?
Yes.
ma'am, in the historical places in Uttar Pradesh, we can also add Varanasi.
Varanasi, beta, Varanasi, see what they have written. Varanasi is famous for the brocade designs. That thing you can write important, other important things. Okay. Other famous things. Now, what is famous? Brocade, carpentry, brass work, chicken work, handicrafts, like that. Fine. Don't write the places from where they are. Just write down whatever important thing or famous works of Uttar Pradesh are.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I have added this in embroidery silk saree in famous things.
Yes, beta. It will come under famous things only. Other famous things.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
we can write Rajasthan and Gujarat same. Ma'am,
No, write it separately. Write for Rajasthan separately and for Gujarat separately. Don't mix
Okay,
both of
ma'am.
them. Yes, Samar.
Ma'am, in Madhya Pradesh, the cities are given like Gwalior, Indore, and Jabalpur are other important cities of Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
Then, ma'am, the Panchmari Hill Station, Kanna Tiger Reserve, and Bandhavgarh National Park are some places of interest. So, ma'am, can I include these all
No, no, no,
cities
no.
and places
No,
in
beta.
cities?
No, beta. One heading will be important cities and the other heading will be places of interest. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the famous ports are of Gujarat or Rajasthan.
The famous,
Ports. Ma'am, ports.
the famous food.
No, ma'am, ports. Forts.
Forts. Is it given in
Yes.
the this paragraph?
Ma'am, it is given in Rajasthan and Gujarat paragraph.
I can't see which line, beta.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
yes. Jaisalmer, Jaipur, and Chittorgarh have some famous forts. So don't write this thing. Write nothing. Don't write anything for this line.
okay, ma'am.
Just write Rajasthan. Another name, desert state. Capital. What is the capital of Jaipur? Oh, sorry, Rajasthan. That's Jaipur. Then climate. You can write climate. Hot and dry. Okay. Occupations. There are so many occupations given. Write that. Crops, bajra and oil seeds. Fine. And languages, Hindi and Rajasthani. There are so many things given about the state of Rajasthan.
Ma'am, we can also write desert state.
You can also write what?
Ma'am, desert state.
Yes, another name, desert state.
Ma'am, who is this Sarthak Agarwal, class 3rd B?
It's Garv Agarwal. Sarthak is his brother's name.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, I forget to change my name.
Okay, beta.
Now, in the unique features of Uttar Pradesh, we also have to add the originated dance in Uttar Pradesh.
No, need not write that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Famous dance.
Khajuraho.
Okay, you're talking about Kathak. Yes, beta, write it down. Famous
Yes,
classical dance, Kathak. Like that.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, Summer, what are you saying?
Ma'am, Khajuraho temple is an important monument. So, ma'am, can I write in places of interest?
Places of interest. Let me see. The temples, important monument. See, it is written now. The temples of Khajuraho are important monuments. So write down important monuments and temples of Khajuraho.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
animals of Rajasthan and Gujarat will come in which Rajasthan or Gujarat?
Write them down. The desert region is also known for. Write it under Rajasthan.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, whatever you will do, you will share the work on WhatsApp group today. Okay? Right after the class. Send your work on the class group. Nobody is saying yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, the work I have to send to those children that has done their work or
So, beta,
till,
you have to send your work to show how much you have done. Okay, you're not sending the
okay,
work
ma'am.
for anybody, you're just showing me how much you've done.
Ma'am, after all classes will get over, or ma'am, after this class?
Beta, please try to send it right after this class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in Gujarat, I only found 2 points.
Okay, the capital of Gujarat, then occupation, that is farming, Then you can write about crops, and that's all. There are just 3 points, Imad, about Gujarat that you can write.
Ma'am, in Gujarat, there is famous food?
Famous food? No, beta, it's not given. Only crops are given.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in Punjab, we have to also write important cities.
In which state, beta?
Ma'am, Punjab.
Yes, you have to write the important cities, you have to write the language spoken, you have to write the festivals, what all features you find, what all different things, unique things you find about any state, you have to write all those things.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for Bihar and famous thing, can we write Bhagalpur is famous for its fine quality silk?
Yes, but beta, remember you don't have to write full paragraphs. So see, in the state of Bihar, there are so many famous things. What you'll do, you will again put a heading, other famous things, Madhubani paintings, cane and bamboo articles, daris, Bhagalpuri silk. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, when coming on to Bihar part, so ma'am, we have to write this one historical importance. So, and ma'am, we have to write Gautama Buddha spent many years living and preaching in both Gaya, a city in Bihar.
No,
Ma'am,
you will write places of historical importance. That is Bodh Gaya and Nalanda ancient Buddhist monastery or Nalanda Buddhist monastery. Okay, places of historical importance.
ma'am, I have written Bodh
Okay, ma'am.
Gaya and Nalanda Asian Buddhist monastery in historical places.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the Bhilai steel plant that produces steel rails is located in Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. So, ma'am,
Okay.
can I include this Bhilai steel plant in industries?
Yes. Include there.
Rice and maize. Star dots. Capital. Ma'am, in Jharkhand, there is a line given. Jharkhand is almost entirely covered by plateaus, hills, and valleys. So, ma'am, can I write the heading like covered by, then dash,
Yes.
plateaus, hills, and valleys?
Yes, you can write like that.
Ma'am, in Bihar, I only got 5 unique features.
No problem, beta. Some states will have many, some might not have many features. Children, try to finish off this work by today. Today you have one more period. The last period again is with me. So we'll try to finish off this work. And I am ending the class here because it's 9:40. Break time starts for your next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.